Hello, yet another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question on the mechanics topic. If you want to choose a different question, hit that information card up there. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. You've got the answer B. Well done. Now here's my explanation. A uniform plank weighs 1,200 newtons and rests on two pillars P and Q. P and Q are 1.8 meters apart. P is 0.2 from one end of the plank and Q is 1.4 meters from the other end of the plank. A man weighs 800 newtons and walks along the plank away from pillar P, so he's going in that direction. What is the horizontal distance between P and the centre of the mass of the man when the plank starts to tip? Okay, so the plank is going to start to tip when the man gets somewhere about here, somewhere beyond Q. Let's put some forces on here. The plank is uniform, so its centre of mass is going to be in the middle of the plank, and it has a weight, we're told, of 1,200 newtons. The man has a weight of 800 newtons. There we go, 1,200 and 800. So it's going to tip up around this point Q. It's going to pivot around Q. Okay, so it's going to pivot when the moment caused by the man's weight, which is a clockwise moment, is equal to the moment, the anti-clockwise moment caused by the weight of the plank. So I can say the anti-clockwise moment is going to equal the clockwise moment when that pivoting starts to happen. And moments are equal to a force times a distance. And the distance I'm going to be interested in is the distance from that point Q. So anti-clockwise moment is caused by the weight of the plank, multiplied by its distance from Q, and that distance is 0.3 meters. You can pause the video and work out where I got the 0.3 meters from. Okay, so the clockwise moment is going to be caused by the weight of the man, and that's 800 newtons, and we'll say he's a distance x from Q. So if I rearrange that equation, I can get an answer. 1,200 multiplied by 0.3 over 800 is going to give me a distance x of 0.45 newtons. Now we want to know the distance between the pillar P and his centre of mass, so we actually want to find that distance there. Well, we can see from P to Q it's 1.8 meters, so the total distance from P is 1.8 meters plus, I do apologise, I put 0.45 newtons there, I should have put 0.45 meters, plus 0.45 meters gives me 2.25 meters. The answer is B. If you found this video useful, click on that subscribe button please, share with friends, hit the like button, and thank you for watching.